Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to buy the Microsoft 365 in your PC. So, first of all, make sure to go ahead and open your Outlook. And as you can see here, on the top left corner, you'll find Microsoft 365. Now, Microsoft 365 is not available for everyone. It has a free version, which is very limited when it comes to the applications and a lot of things. It is very limited. And also when it comes to Drive, it's also short in Drive. It has only 5 gigabytes. Now, to buy it, you simply have to click right here on Buy Microsoft 365, and here it is the prices. Now, as you can see here, um, here it is the prices. Let me just show you my monthly. So achieve the extraordinary with Microsoft 365. There is the basic, the personal, and the family plan. The basic is around 12 or 20 or $2. The personal is $8.3. The family is $11. So these are the prices for the Microsoft 365. For the basic, you will only get the OneDrive and Outlook, and basically you're not gonna get Microsoft Word, Excel, and basically the other Microsoft applications. When it comes to the personal, then you will get apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Notes, Teams, etc. The other thing is family. Now, the difference between personal and family is the fact that for family, you can open up to 6 people within one account, so you can use it in different devices, up to 6 people. And just like that, once you decide which one you want to buy, simply click on Buy Now, put your credentials and your card informations, and click on Submit. And congratulations, you have bought it successfully. That was it for today's video. Thank you guys a lot for watching.